According to Sigmund Freud, the human have three different personalities. Number one is the id. The id is like a little devil whispering in your left shoulder. He's always selfish, impulsive, and he is based on a pleasure principle because the id don't want to feel pain. The second personality is the superego. The superego is like a little angel whispering in your right shoulder. The superego is based on a moral principle. He knows what is right or wrong. He is like an internal judgment based on a moral principle. The next personality is the ego. The ego reflects who we think we are. The ego is a part of the conscious self. Then, it satisfies the needs of both ego and the superego. And he is a mediator. So, his decisions are always on a reality. For example, the student find out the exam is coming on next week. So that's why he needs to review or recap the lessons before. Don't study because studying is boring. Just watch movies, scroll on social media, play games. This will give you pressure. Studying is right to do. If you study, you cannot worry on getting a low score in exam. So, if you did not study, you might fail. While studying is being a good student. Yeah, studying is little bit boring. But, if I did not review, I might fail on exam. So that's why, I will study first. And after that, I will do some pleasurable activities.